Hey guys, my name is Layla. In today's video we're gonna be doing get ready with me video. And today, what is the difference from every time that I'm wearing makeup? Like, what is the difference? Today's day is different. You know why? Because I'm wearing my pink suit, and which means that I need to put pink into my makeup. You know what I mean? So I have this palette and I'm surely putting pink into my makeup, onto my lips and my eyeshadow. Okay, let's take this off. I like taking this oil. This is the face oil, like that. As you know, I am applying only concealer. Why? Because I don't want to burden my face with lots of layers of foundation. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Just with concealer. And now I'm taking this thick brush with powder. As you can see, I have a weird under eye area. I have bags under my eyes, but they're not that bad now because I've been doing mesotherapy. And mesotherapy is basically the procedure cosmetologists, when cosmetologists puts some vitamins under your skin. Oh my god, the next step is eyebrows, and I hate eyebrows, doing eyebrows. My god. Okay, it's not that bad, right? I'm always starting at the ending, because the ending is what's the most important in life also. Oh my god, we're getting deep here. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Now we're going to brush them. So basically I learned how to do my makeup in 10 minutes and I'm pretty good at it and I'm proud of it. I'm taking this color and this color, I'm blending them there, both of them. Okay, the most important part and the most scariest one for me is mascara, because when I'm applying it, it gets into places where it's not supposed to, you know, and then I have to clean it with a Q-tip. That's why I don't really feel comfortable applying mascara. But let's try. For the lips, I'm going to apply this pink nude color. And last but not least, a little bit of blush, a little bit of blush with the same colors here and here. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's it. Oh my god, it turned out really kind of cute. Okay, that was it for today and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.